can make you go loud in your silence. Let me bring you the world to your island. I'll be your image, your honor. I can be your slave for honor. I can be your shaving butter, or I can be the goddess. I'll be your purpose or your personal weapons against us, baby, shall be prosper. First part, travel the world from future to past just to bring you present to your after. I'll be your emergency call, pictures on your wall. I got you.